It is Friday, February 5th, 2010, and we're at the beginning of what's expected to be one of the biggest snowstorms in DC history. It's predicted that we could receive up to 30 inches of snow. It's about 4:45 p.m. and we're just watching and seeing what happens. We have maybe an inch or two so far on the ground, but it's piling up quick. And this should be a fun one. Alright, it's now 9:45 on Friday night, and as you can see, we have a lot of snow, and it is really coming down. There's nobody out. It's all quiet. Winds are picking up again. Blizzard conditions are coming or about to occur. I'd say we have about 7 inches maybe. It's now 10:45 in the morning, Saturday, February 6th. I haven't taken a measurement yet, but we probably have at least 22 inches. And it's still coming. It's about 12:30. Okay. Alright, we're in Montgomery Village, and I'm going to take a measurement of this snow. I guess we're going to have to stop there. 27 inches. And count. Alright. Alright. So walking into the parking lot here. It looks like we have a snowbank from the plow. Angie's stuck. You're stuck. Oh! Whew!
No.
About the only thing we hear out here is sirens. Everything is completely deserted. I'm gonna try to get into the street. Alright, this is Christopher Avenue here in Montgomery Village. You see a few people walking, but there's not a car in sight. And yes, I am in the middle of the road.
Oh shit.
Slick.